How to fix Discord error 2015. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. First of all, enable hardware acceleration. This setting is only available in the Discord app. So keep in mind that if you are running the Discord website in a browser, you can't find hardware acceleration. Enable hardware acceleration. Open the Discord app. Click on user settings. Scroll down in the left side and select advanced. Here is hardware acceleration. Make sure that this setting is enabled. If this setting is disabled, click on this toggle switch to enable it. After enabling, you will have to relaunch the Discord app. After relaunching, check if the issue is fixed. The next method is disable IPv6. For this, click on search, type ncpa.cpl, click on the result, right click on the running network adapter. The running network adapter will show green signal mark here. Right click and select properties. Scroll down in this box and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Click on OK. Then check if the problem is fixed. If the problem still persists, then fully close the Discord app. Right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, find Discord related processes in this list, this one. Right click on this process and select End Task. All the tasks related to Discord are ended. Close the Task Manager and then relaunch Discord. Then see if the problem is solved. If the problem is still not solved, then you can log out and log into the application. For this, click on the settings cog, scroll down and click on log out and then try to log in. In case anything doesn't work, then check the server status of Discord. For this, go to discordstatus.com, launch a browser and type discordstatus.com. And make sure that all the systems are operational. If the server is facing outage, then wait for a while and let the server operational. The issue should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.